bed on a toothbrush, washing up puddle. I've got some bendy MDF and a hammer, and I've got these stencils.
Hello.
Hello.
We've got a very special and exciting treat for you today.
Yeah.
Today we're going to explore the exciting world of sound.
Ooh.
Yes, the world is full of exciting sounds. See if you can recognise any of these.
No.
Let's try this one.
Pigs. No, tennis.
Tennis?
Doubles.
Oh, yeah. Anyway, one of the most exciting sounds is music. Take it away, Dan.
Right. My darling, you're so lovely, and your hair is so blue. Whenever I see you, I don't know what to do. And when you... and when you me with your arms, it makes me want to you with... And... Right, that's it. I had it to here with you two.
Well, that was exciting.